Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I'm going to show you a really lovely scarf. So you can see here what wool I used, and I'm going to show you in a minute what the name of it is. You can see here the colors that we have, a lovely color gradient, white with some pink and purple details, and I'm also going to show you how to make this pattern. It's going to be really easy and perfect for you even if you're a beginner. So let's get started. So here is the name, it's Color Spray, so it's 80% acrylic, 20% nylon, 50 grams, 75 meters per each ball. And the size is 7 for our crocheting hook. So I'm going to use my 6mm one since that's my favorite one to use. And yeah, let's get started right away. So we're going to do a slip knot first, and then we're going to do a multiple of 4 plus 3 chains to start with. So in my case, 23. So 5 times 4 plus the 3 at the end. So let's do that. This is 12. Okay, 20 and then 3 more. Okay, so now we're gonna go 5 back, and then we're gonna do a treble there. So yarn over through 2 and through 2 more. Into the same spot, I'm gonna do another treble, a chain, and then 2 more trebles there. So all into the same spot. So into the 5th chain from the start, I did 2 trebles, 1 chain, and 2 trebles. That's it. Okay, so let's move on. Now I'm going to skip 3 chains again. Into the 4th, I'm going to go in and I'm going to do the same thing again. So 2 trebles, a chain, and then 2 trebles. Okay, there we go. So now that we have this done, we're again going to leave 3 out and then do the same thing again. 2 trebles, 1 chain in the middle, and 2 more trebles. There we go, just the 2 trebles, and then we're done. So you can see what the beginning looks like. So I'm going to move on and I'm going to repeat the same thing for the entire first row. So again, 2 trebles, 1 chain, 2 trebles, all into the same spot. Then again, leave 3 out, and then we're going to do the same thing. So at the back, we're going to have 2 more chains left over. So I'm going to show you what to do there. We're again doing into the same spot, 2 trebles, 1 chain, 2 trebles. Okay, so the 5 are done. So this is what we get when we start with 5 times 4 plus the 3 at the beginning. And now the 2 at the beginning or at the end, we're going to do a chain, and then there we're going to do into the very last chain, we're going to do a treble. And then we're officially done with our last row. Okay, our second row, we're going to do 3 chains for the height and turn. And then here into this chain, or underneath it, we're going to go in and we're going to do, again, 2 trebles, 1 chain, 2 trebles, so just like so far. This is the next spot, and then we're doing the same thing again. So 2 trebles, 1 chain, 2 trebles. And we just keep looking for the chains that were in between the 2 trebles, and that's where we do a new element, a new piece. So the 2 trebles, 1 chain, 2 trebles piece. Okay, we're done now with our second row. We just need 1 last treble at the end, and you can see here what that looks like. So that's just so we have a nice shape of our scarf, and then we can do 3 chains, turn, and continue. Again, the same thing as so far. So from here on, you already know what to do. You just look for the chains that are in between the 2 treble pairs, and then there you do a new piece with, again, 2 trebles, 1 chain, and 2 trebles. And you can now hopefully see why this project is perfect for beginners too. So you can kind of see the pattern developing, and I think it looks wonderful this way. So yeah, it's going to keep growing, and I'm going to show you with a little update what I have when I do a little bit more. But you can see here the basic structure. So we always have this shell-like shape, the little piece that we do individually into one spot. And this is what keeps growing and yields a really lovely structure. Okay, so this is my scarf, and you can see what it looks like right now. So I really like the colors, how nicely they blend in. And yeah, now I'm gonna show you how you can finish up. I just have 1 treble left over to do at the end. And then I can pull the thread out, shorten a little bit, and pull tight so that everything stays in place. Okay, so now just pull a little bit, and we have just a tiny bit of yarn left over, so that's perfect, and you can see what it looks like right now. So I'm going to show you, you just have to weave in the beginning and the end, and then in the middle, I also changed spools since I didn't have enough in just one. So you can just do a double knot there. That's what I usually do. And then I just shorten the leftover bits that are hanging out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Feel free to let me know what you guys think. If you'd like to see more, feel free to subscribe. And if you click on the notification bell, then you're going to get notified every time I post something new. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.